In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to personalize a homepage pretty easily using custom fields in Bento that you should be having automatically sent to your visitor profiles through Shopify, WooCommerce, or if you have a custom integration. Typically, what most people are doing, the beta customers that had early access to this, they're just doing little simple things like changing adding a first name on a page, or maybe referencing an industry. So as an example, on the Bento homepage, you see up here it says, Bento is a fresh take on a combined marketing automation and team inbox platform for SaaS. Now, if I look at this in incognito, this says marketers. And the way that this changes on the site, mainly just to show an example, is down here I can select SaaS. And then when I select SaaS and I refresh the page, all those Bento tags now say SaaS. And if I open up this letter, this says SaaS too, right? Whereas in this one, if I open this up, it says Jesse. So it has my first name because it knows that I'm logged into Bento, obviously. So yeah, you can do some pretty fun personalization stuff with this. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing is work out where you want it on your page. Then go into Bento, go to Personalize, Bento tags, and then here you got a list of all your custom fields. You want to pick the ones, you want to whitelist the ones that you're okay with being shown on the front end. Other fields you want to obviously be secure and not visible. So that's things like, I don't know, any private information, address information, make sure that that's all secure. But things like a first name or an industry, that's okay. So we'll whitelist that. Then you get a tag. And all you have to do is go to your HTML or, in your blog post and just paste it in. So you can see here, I've got the tag. It says Bento tag field equals first name, and then the fallback is friend. We actually have an additional fallback in the tag, and this one is for if there's an ad blocker. So if there's an ad blocker, it'll just render this. If there's no ad blocker, it'll look for first name on the visitor field. If it finds that, it places it in, or it'll rely on the fallback, which is just the friend. So now if I refresh this, it now says welcome Jesse. So that's pretty easy. Let's add another field from scratch. So I'm going to go, I'm going to whitelist the last name. I want to put this after here. So I'm going to come back to my code, paste it there. So I've got first name, and then let's say hello. And it's going to say welcome friend. And then I'm just going to do an exclamation mark as a fallback. I think that may make sense. And there we go. We've got it now. So anytime I refresh this page, it's going welcome Jesse Hanley. And again, if I click make private, now it's just going to say welcome Jesse with the fallback, which is the exclamation. So yeah, that's Bento tags. Super easy to implement. It takes a couple of seconds. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.